All right. So for this assignment, we're going to do the format output. Okay. We're going for this assignment. We focus on decimal, integer, and fixed fixed floating point, and also string. All right. So number one, we are going to ask you to do this right now. We are going to say double, okay, price equal, let's put this 1.2159. Can you do that, please? All right. So I need you to output to 1.22. How do you do output to 1.22? Can anyone help me right there, please? All right, so if you can write it, you put on the chat room. You can see right here, but I'm going to show you this one. Okay, so you do this out. Hold on, what's that thing? No, hold on. Okay. Then we are not going to do System.out.printl. Okay, we're going to do printf. Can you do that for me? Okay, do System.out and printf. Okay, then we're going to do this. All right, so you can do as a we can do as a D, or we can do as F. So first I am going to do this right now. I'm going to percentage and 2F. That means 2 decimal places. Okay, 2F. And I'm going to for that is my price. Okay, and once I do that, and I'm going to did you finish, please? Then I'm going to run as a Java application. So the answer is 1.21599. Okay, so obviously I did not get it. All right, so let me see this one right now one more time. Okay, run as Java application. I got this 1.21590. Okay. Okay, yeah. 0.2. Sorry. All right. So let me run as Java application, and then that's 1.22. Is that right? Okay. So now, if I need 3 decimal place, can you tell me if my output is 3 decimal place, output to 1.216? All right. Can you write you can copy paste but change it for me, please? Let me know. Anybody? All right. So anybody can put right here for me. So we put here. Oh, hold on. I made a mistake. Undo. All right. So we're going to Control C here and Control V here. All right. So can anyone tell me what should I change right now? I change to what? 0.3. Okay, 0.3. Then you run it as Java application, and the answer will be I also need to have printf. Okay, so that once this is too ugly, so once we finish these, we just need to say this print the line. Okay, so otherwise all right, so then we put it right here, say the second example, example 2. It's okay, example 2. All right, so let me do it one more time, make sure that it's good. All right, so my example 2, okay, same thing. I need to have a this hold on, let me put like this, \n, \n. Okay, so that will be a little bit nicer right now because I need you to submit your homework, right? All right, so that will be one example 1, 2 right now. All right, so example 3, I want you to do this. All right, so when we do this right now, you see this 1.22. What happened if I wanted to have have some leading zero in front? So here I have 1.22 and I wanted to have a leading zero here. How do I do that? So together, so let me ask you to do example 3. Is that okay? Now, so you want to do this example 3 here. Control C. And you want to do example 3. It's okay. Example 3. Then example 3 will be you want to have a total. Let me do a little bit different, and you can take an example here. Total is 10 spaces. 10 spaces. All right, 10 and 2 decimal point, 2 number after decimal point. All right, so the example 3 will be total 10 spaces, 2 number after decimal point. Can anyone, the first one, anyone help me to put your code on the chat, please? All right, so Wei Hang already showed me. Wei Hang say this will be System.out.printf, put 10, total is 10, and point 2 decimal place. So 2 decimal place at the end. Let's try it right now. So run Java application. All right. So I got this right now. So this is all 10, this 10 here, and 1.22. So far, okay. Now I need to challenge you right now. So right now I don't have the variable here, but I want you to type here. I want you to type like price, and colon, price colon, and put price. All right. So how do I do that? I have example here. So I'm going to example 4. I ask you to do example 4 right now. Example 4 is okay. And example 4 is I'm going to include your price equal and and let me see, let me put as a 6 space and 2 number after decimal point. All right, can you do that? All right, so can anyone write the code and put on the chat for me, please? Daniel, the price should not be there. Your price has to be inside. Can anyone check for me, please? Because the price is a string right now. The string has to be inside the quotation. You understand? Price, this price here. You see the price here? And need to be here too. That's a string. Is that right? Alright, can anyone try it and give to me? So you need to have the variable, write it out as price or put my price. Alright? Anybody? Okay, anybody can give me answer for number 4? Number 4, nobody? Wei Hang, Tianjin. You can use the example right here. See that? Alright. So Daniel gave me one more time. Alright. So Daniel say price and 6 places, 6 spaces, 2 decimal point and price. Alright. Let's run it right now. It's okay. Run as Java application. Okay. So we got this. Price and 6 spaces, 2 decimal point at the end. Alright. So far okay? Yes or no? Did you try that? Alright, so let's see more of these. Is that okay? So more of these. Now to do more of these, we need to go on to do the formatting, decimal formatting. Is that okay? Decimal formatting. Alright, so we are going to do this right now. So we are going to have prices. Then we are going to put the decimal format. And then what can we put in decimal format? These are the things you can put on decimal format. That's called flag, okay? You can put on decimal format will be like you can put the leading 0, you can put plus signs, and you can put enclosed negative, put thousand separator, and so these are things you could put. These are things you could put. It's okay. So and then we can do this right now. So instead of this, we are going to do this. Remember? Okay, so you can put thousand separator. You can put leading 0 and put dollar sign, something like that. All right. So we can also pound sign. Okay, so the pattern, we can put a pattern like this way. All right, so now we are going to do this. Okay, so right here we have double price here, so I'm going to take example 5. Is that okay? And let's call this example 5. And the example 5, we are going to do this. Okay, so we are going to create a decimal pattern. Is that okay? Decimal format pattern. Use a decimal format pattern. Is that okay? So what we are going to do is we are going to use the so we're going to put the thing is we're going to put a dollar sign. First dollar sign is okay. Then we also want to have a thousand separator. Okay, include dollar sign, and the thousand separator. It's okay. All right, so include dollar sign and thousand separator. Is that okay? So, and the way you do this is you're going to say decimal format, my format, and you create your format right now. You are allowed to add the thing you're going to add here. Okay, you're going to do that. Then we're going to create this right now. Can you do that for me? Anybody? Don't forget we also want 2 decimal point. Also 2 decimal point. We also want the 2 number after decimal point. Anybody? Yeah? Anybody? Nobody yet? Okay, so I am going to first, okay, before that, I'm going to ask you to change this, okay? Not decimal format yet. I'm going to tell you how to do this one because I haven't to teach you this yet. Here, I need you to, where's the thing? All right, left align is a dash. Left align is a dash. I forgot it. It's a dash here, okay? So left align, okay. So right here you see you have like a price is 1.22, but we want you to have left align, okay? So I'm coming back right here right now, and I need you to do this one and see if you can do it. It's okay. Oh, just a minute. I'm going to example 2. All right. So these I will ask you to do. This is left align. All right, left align the price. All right, so left align the price. So how do you do that? And we are going to do this one, okay? The same thing here. Control C is okay. We are going to do this. All right, but now we know we're going to do left align. So you need to do dash. It's okay? You need a dash here. All right, are you there right now? Dash. Okay, so let me run there right now. So this and that is different because this is I follow right away, have follow this, and because I have a point here, if I don't have point here, and that will be very close. Let me run as right now. See this? Do you understand it? So we are using this. The left align is dash. Okay, geez, I forgot. Somehow I didn't have a dash, so I need to write it. Okay, just a minute. Okay. So now left align, you must put a dash. Dash was too small, so was not there. All right. So everybody understand that right now? Everybody? Now, I am going to do this right now. So see if you can do it for me. Is that okay? See if you can do it for me. So I am going to another one. Is okay? Another one right here. I am going to do this. And here, you know, when the government, the check, they always have a leading zero. Do you understand? All right. So whenever the government check, okay, because they don't want you to fill out the check, anyway to make the money. They don't want you to have opportunity to have, to alter the check. You understand? So example 6 right here, and we are going to have a total 10 space 2 decimal points. Okay. All right. So like this. All right. Total 10 space 2 decimal place, but you have a leading zero. You have leading zeros. Can you do it for me? Can you do it for me? You have leading zeros. Anybody? Don't forget, now you are going to use the flag from here right now. All right. So 10 spaces. 2 number after decimal point. This is 2 decimal number. Okay. I mean, easy. 2 decimal number after point. But you got leading zero. Can you do it for me? Anybody? Don't forget now you need to have a flag right now. I add the flag is dash. That's a left align. I need you to add another flag is 0. Anybody? Anybody? All right. So I have this right now. I have Herbert show me. All right. So you add the flag is 0 and 10 spaces, 2 decimal point at the end, and price. All right. Let's run it right now. That's right. All right. That's right. And you see the any government issue the check is like that. They have leading 0. They don't want you have opportunity to fill in the money. Is that okay? All right. So let me have another one right now. Double price salary equal, and let's put a larger number right now. And let me see. 4 5 0 0 0. Is that okay? All right, so 95. Okay, so uh, 105, something like that. Just bunch of some a number right here. All right, so now I have this right now, and I'm going to ask you to have example 7. Is that right? Example 7. And example 7, I need you to have, student, but not reading 0. But I'm going to ask you to have a thousand separator. Okay, I need you to show me the thousand separator. All right, thousand separators. Okay, so this example 7 is okay. Example 7, you show thousand separator. Say anybody? You show the thousand separator. And still two does. Let me see. Let's put still 2 decimal point at the end. Okay. 55, something like that. All right. And this one, I don't need the total space. I just want 2 decimal point. So 2 decimal point numbers at the end. Thousand separator. Thousand separator. Anybody? All right, so I have Uber finished already. So let's see. All right, so I have Uber say salary, uh, percentage, comma. All right, so because comma is a thousand separator. It's okay. So let's do it right. Uber, you are very good. Okay, so let's run it right now. All right, you see that? Very good. Thank you so much. Take a look the answer for that. All right, the thousand separator. Okay, now I think use flag is easy enough. But if you don't use flag, in sometime, I mean, if you already have something you want to use all the time that your company already set up, then you can set up your own format. So your own format is always like this way. You are allowed to do that. All right. So I am going to ask you to example 7. Example 8 right now. So example A, you create your own format. Then your format is same thing, two decimal number, thousand separator. All right, and you're going to display the salary. But instead of put a, flag right here or the format F, instead of that, we are going to actually try to do this. Decimal format, my format, new format, and you create your now plus a dollar sign plus a thousand separator, this and that. Okay, can you try it? Then this time you need to give me 2 lines. You need to give me 2 lines. Let me see who can finish that. Anybody? So you have to create decimal format. Then you can call my format or Uber format or Weihang format. Okay. All right. So I have Uber did it right away. Let's see. So we have Uber say this right now will be decimal format, but when you do this, then you have to come right here and to import decimal format. It's okay. So you have to import decimal format. Once you import decimal format here, I need dollar sign and thousand separator, and my format is salary. Okay. So you do this way. You do this way is when you want to unify the format among all different branches and in different you have different people are using this program. So you want it to be a standard format. You do this and you create a standard format. So you run this right now, Java application. All right, so you got this example. All right, so far okay to you? Then we are going to do the last one here. We're going to format a date. Okay, format a date. And when you format a date, you need to do simple date formatting. Simple date formatting here. That's format today and add today's date. Is that okay? Just use like this way. All right, just use the example right here. Is that okay? Only use the example right here. And let me see who can do this, the date for me. And format today's date. Is that okay? Format today's date. Anybody? Once you finish and put on the chat, let me see who can put on the chat here. All right, so we got these. Okay, you already got this right now. So let me, Daniel, thank you. So Daniel already get this, and again, if you do this, you have to click on this and import the simple date format. Is that right? And let me see, what do I do that wrong? All right, so I also need to import the the date, right? No, hold on, let me see. Did you type anything wrong here? This is a new date. Hold on, let me double check. Okay.
Yeah, I believe that there's two.
Yeah.
Two. There's a utility and there's another one.
Okay, so I need to import this one, date. Is that right?
Yeah. There's SQL
Uh
and
huh.
there's utility. So you need to go and delete
Oh, okay.
the
The
one you import.
so this one is wrong, right?
That's the wrong one.
Okay, so I have to import which one?
Utility, the bottom one.
That one, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
that one.
okay. So after I have that one, and they can run there, right? We can run there, run as Java application. Now, I got today's date. Is that right? Very good. Now, uh, that's challenge you right now. We almost finish. Okay, we almost finish. Then, we almost finish for this assignment. And I want to this example 9, right? Sorry. Control C, and then example 9, and example 9 is today's date. Is that right? So you display today's date. Then let's do example 10. Is that right? Example 10. Let's do example 10. All right. So example 10, I want to display the salary. All right. Now you can try this with display the salary. Remember, let me double check is what use what out 0163. That's if you do out 012163, that's English pound. Uh, 0. Hold on. Hold the control key and hold the control key. Pound is 162. Let me see. Is pound 0162 something. All right. So anyway, so there's a Japanese yen, but display the salary with that Chinese 尾行 or 尾行 or can anyone tell me how you do Chinese yen? Chinese is not Chinese simple. Can you do that for me? All right. So the salary, you instead of put $sign, you're going to put a symbol right here, and we have an example right here. Okay. So somebody already gave me out 165. Okay, let me try. All right. So out 0165. Yeah, okay. So, but when you do that, let me see. That's how we type. But we cannot put out 165 here. We need to do this. All right. We need to do \u 0085 Unicode. You need to do the Unicode right here. All right. So I need a volunteer to display this for me. You display the salary, but with renminbi. Anybody? Anybody? you want to create a format, is that right? But the format right now, you hold on, you're going to call my format 1, my format 1. You don't want to call it my format anymore. You already have your format. Is that okay? Then you want to do like your example. All right, so we have Wei Hang did it right here. So let me check it. So this is example 10. All right, so remember we're going to call this my form decimal format. Probably let's call it my format 1. Is okay? My format 1. All right, so in my format 1, because I already have format, is that right? Format salary. So this will display the dollar 人民币 sign, is that right? RMB. All right, so now you got RMB right now. So far okay to you? All right, so as soon as you finish this one, you need to give me the jar file and copy the code. Is that okay? Jar file and copy the code. And let me give you, you know,